In this video, we'll learn how to embed 608 and 708 captioning into your video for delivery to broadcast using Closed Caption Creator Pro. To start, you'll want to create a new project and import your closed caption file. If you don't have a closed caption file, you can easily generate captions in just a few clicks using the automatic transcription feature available in the AI Tools menu.
Hey, Bo, why don't you tell them your story?
Oh, yeah! What happened all that time?
Once you have your captions created, open the Export panel by going to the File menu and clicking the Export option. Select Embed Captions and click Next. The Embed Captions window will appear. Here you will need to select your source video file, the event group with the captions you wish to embed, as well as the frame rate of the video. When embedding captions, we do not transcode or re-encode the video track. This means it is important to provide your video file in the same format you wish to deliver. Click Submit Job once you are ready. Your file will be uploaded and the embedding process will begin. Please keep in mind some video files can be quite large, and the upload process may take a few minutes to complete. Once the embed process has finished, you will receive an email notification with a link to download your file. Customer files are stored for 14 days before being removed automatically by our system. If you have any issues downloading your file, please contact support for assistance.
Hey, Bo, why don't you tell them your story?
Oh, yeah! What happened all that time?
To sign up for Closed Caption Creator, please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com.